Hello, good morning, student. How are you? I hope you are fine. Today we are going to discuss about washing machine. Aim of this experiment is to study the working of washing machine. Equipment required for this experiment is washing machine, clothes, water, detergent. The internal structure of washing machine is shown in above circuit, above diagram. Block diagram of washing machine is also shown in the above given diagram. Theory regarding this washing machine is washing machine are used to clean dirty clothes. According to technologies used there are various types of washing machines. First one is semi-automatic washing machine. In this type, some operations are to be performed manually. Second one is fully automatic machine. In this type, all the operations are automatics, that is can be programmed. Third machine is front loading washing machine. In this type, some clothes are loaded by front door. Top loading washing machine. In this type, clothes are loaded from top opening of the machine. And fifth one is washing machine with fuzzy logic. In this type, fuzzy interface unit FUI encode the controller information and include the input and output variable definitions and rules of the applications. Method in washing machine, clothes are washed in water with detergent, which is called wash cycle. After washing, clothes dirt which is separated from clothes is removed by rinsing and draining operations, which is called rinse cycle. After that, clothes are dry, which is called as dry cycle. Washing machine consists of washing tub which is made up of plastic, fiber or metal. The solenoid is used for inlet and outlet valve for water. Also for selecting hot water or cold water, additional solenoid is used. Level sensor and controller is used to maintain desired level of water. It is a pressure sensor which close valve to check the temperature and control hot water coming inside. Temperature sensor are used. Single phase motor is used to move agitator. Motor is connected to agitator which moves cloth in tub. In fully automatic 8051 or 68H11 microcontroller are used which control all the following operations. It controls motor speed for wash and rinse operation and changes the direction of rotation. To control inlet valve for hot and cold water, it checks level and temperature of water. According to program by user, it operates the machine for a specific time. It gives beep after washing is completed. Lastly, the conclusion of this experiment is studying the working of washing machine There is some oral question asked for examination. So this is assignment for you. Please note down in your notebook and show me later on. First question is state the types of washing machine. Second question is which operator are controlled by microcontroller in washing machine. Okay, thank you. Meet you in next period. Thanks.